My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. We'd be more than happy to have you become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. And there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, today, this is all about the eyes, okay? And the fact that I am breaking the no lash thing online for the first time using magnetic lashes with you, okay? Now, let's just talk about the lashes right quick. I got these lashes from RONKIE magnetic eyelashes and eyeliner. Everything came in the package. And yes, definitely tested it to make sure that I did not have any adverse reactions to the magnetic liner. Okay, so that I did try on my hand. And this is what the package looked like. Okay, and I will have you know that these can be purchased on Amazon, and I believe the price was $13.99. I will leave the link below, so if you would like to try them out for yourself, very inexpensive way to try it out and see if you like it. And this set has, I believe it's 10. This set has 10 pair of lashes, 2 tubes of eyeliner, and 1 makeup box, and a pair of lash tweezers. Okay, so if you'd like to see how I struggled to get these on, just joking. If you'd like to see how we went about this for the first time, by all means, continue to watch, and you can comment down below what you think. If you're laughing at my struggle, I'm gonna remember that, y'all, okay? I'm just saying. But nonetheless, if you would like to see how this eye look was created, right along with the lashes, I even did my brows so y'all could see how I do my eyebrows. And I did everything right here on camera just to share with you. So if you'd like to see how it was done, please continue to watch. look. We looked at it before without the lashes, how I would normally wear it. But with the lashes on, okay, first of all, this is so gonna take some getting used to. And I do mean take some getting used to, because right now I feel like I have a hood on my eyes. Now I do see the right one is better placed than the left. Okay, so this lets me know I really am gonna have to work on this, but I said I was going to do the very first time I tried on magnetic lashes on camera. So that is the only reason why it is done, because I would have just scratched it and just sat there and really played with it till I got it perfect. But I'm honoring my word. So this is what the end result looked like. Now, let's talk about these lashes. First of all, they're very lightweight. The other thing I want to encourage you to do is to check your placement. The way that they are on here is the way that they go on your eye, okay? So hold it, to you, and you'll know which one goes on which side, okay? Nobody filled me in on those things, I'm just saying. So, and this compact, this is really nice, so that you can always have your lashes with you on the go. I definitely like this. Now, for eyeglass wearers like me, if you have challenges with seeing up close, what is that? If you're nearsighted, then you're gonna have to really invest in a good magnification mirror so as to see exactly what it is that you're doing. But I do like the overall look. I'm going to go and show this to my husband in a few minutes. He's got this thing about eyes. So I want to see, hear what his thoughts are on these. So I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as I experienced putting on magnetic lashes for the very first time. Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.